Well, we start the bulletin with the grim reality of the COVID-19 storm, in which 53 deaths have been recorded in 3 days as young Kenyans pay the heavy price of the pandemic. Today alone, the country recorded 23 deaths, the highest ever in a single day. Chemutai, go in with the details.
With the emergence of new hotspots coupled with the rising number of cases and COVID-19 related deaths, coronavirus continues to paint a grim and distressing picture. The last 72 hours alone, 53 people have lost their lives after contracting COVID-19. 23 deaths registered today, including 11 patients with no known underlying conditions.
One of them is a 16-year-old. We are increasingly seeing younger and younger people passing away. And therefore, we want to urge the young people to desist from as much socializing as they are.
Out of the 23, 8 were receiving treatment at the Kenyatta National Hospital, 3 at the PCA Kikuyu Hospital, 3 at the Kenyatta University Referral Hospital, 2 at the Avenue Hospital, while others were at the Tigoni Hospital, Plainsview Hospital, Aga Khan, and the Kajiado and Isiolo County Referral Hospitals. The government revealing that most of the deaths were of patients who failed to seek medical care in good time.
You can have a very serious COVID disease condition, but you may not be aware. You would behave normally, but when you reach the hospital, the doctors will quickly usher you into the critical care when they look at your oxygen saturation. So the message to Kenyans is that if you feel unwell, please seek for healthcare services support.
Government statistics further showing that Mombasa was increasingly recording a decline in the number of infections. This as Samburu became the 47th county hit by the virus, meaning all the counties are now on the list.
The fact that we are opening up does not mean that we are safe now. So even as we go out on our normal business, it is good that we are doing so, having appreciated that there is a new normal.
Kago today announcing 727 new cases, the country's caseload shooting to 21,363. The Nairobi metropolis taking up the lion's share of the infections, Nairobi with 470, Kiambu with 64, and Kajiado with 25. With the same counties also recording a rise in the number of deaths, the government is paying close attention.
We can obviously see that they are getting overloaded. For example, yesterday, we took PPEs and other commodities to the Kiambu County, and as a national government, we will continue to give extra support, just like we did to Mombasa, when Mombasa was having serious issues.
254 discharges were recorded. So far, 8,419 patients have recovered from the disease. Statistics further showing that 676 health workers had contracted the virus. The government now pushed on overdrive to ensure adequate preparedness to prevent health systems from being overrun. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV at the JKIA, Nairobi.